Welcome back, aspiring money magnets. Have you ever wondered why the rich seem to accumulate more wealth while others struggle financially? Today, we're diving into the key difference: how the rich invest their money in assets, while others often spend on liabilities. Join us as we explore 10 eye-opening ways in which the wealthy allocate their resources for long-term financial growth. Let's begin. Real estate investments. The wealthy prioritize purchasing income-generating properties such as rental homes, commercial spaces, or real estate funds, which provide a steady stream of passive income. Stock market investments. Investing in the stock market allows the wealthy to benefit from the potential growth of companies and receive dividends, thereby increasing their wealth over time. Business ventures. The rich often start or invest in businesses, creating opportunities for passive income and capital appreciation, leveraging their resources to generate wealth. Angel investing and venture capital. They actively invest in promising startups, supporting innovation and entrepreneurship while potentially reaping significant financial returns. Diversified investment portfolios. Wealthy individuals diversify their investments across various asset classes, reducing risk and maximizing their chances of long-term growth. Intellectual property. Creating and owning intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks, and copyrights, enables the rich to generate income from licensing, royalties, and sales. Education and self-development. The wealthy invest in expanding their knowledge and skills, knowing that personal growth enhances their ability to identify and seize profitable opportunities. Philanthropic ventures. The rich leverage their resources to make a positive impact on society through philanthropy, creating legacies that benefit future generations. Building networks and relationships. Wealthy individuals recognize the value of building strong networks and relationships, opening doors to new investment opportunities and partnerships. Personal finance education. They prioritize financial literacy, continually seeking knowledge about wealth-building strategies and staying informed about the ever-changing economic landscape. And there you have it, 10 powerful ways in which the rich invest their money in assets rather than liabilities, setting themselves up for long-term financial growth. By understanding this key distinction, we can all strive to make smarter financial decisions and work towards building our own wealth. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the essential mindset and strategies of the financially successful. Remember, it's never too late to start investing in assets and prioritizing long-term financial stability. If you like this video, please help to like and subscribe.